Alright, so today we're going to compare volume of prisms and pyramids. What is the volume of a prism? Good. Area of the base times the height. And the pyramid? Good. We know that the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Alright? If a prism and pyramid have congruent, good, congruent bases, just like we saw in the warm-up, and the same height, perfect. The volume of the prism will be what? The volume of the pyramid. Think of the video yesterday. The prism will be what?
3 times.
Good, you got it. 3 times the volume of the pyramid. Are we good with that? Because the video yesterday we saw it took 3 times the pyramid, right, to fill up the prism. The pyramid's volume is what?
1/3.
Good. 1/3 the volume of the prism. You can see that in the formula. Alright, we're going to do number 1 and 3 together. What is the volume of a triangular pyramid with the same base and height dimensions of the prism below? What can we do? What formula are we going to be using? Volume of a what? Good, pyramid, because that's what we want. So let's start with volume of the pyramid formula, which is 1/3 times the area of the base times your height. And then let's show work to find area of the base. What shape is our base again? What kind of pyramid are we looking for? Triangular. So our base is what? The triangle. It's right here, right? Okay, so it's a triangle. So we need the triangle formula. Our base times our height divided by 2. What is the area of our base?
121. Oh,
And your calculator, what do we get?
95.
Good, you got it. 19.25. Okay, how do we know what our height is? Good, our height connects our 2 bases. So our height is 3. So now let's substitute in our numbers. So your calculator, 1/3 times 19 1/4 times 3. And the volume of our triangular pyramid is? Yeah, because these kind of simplify out right there. Yeah. It's at 19.25 units. Inches cubed. Are we good with that? Awesome. All right, number 3. Number 2, 3, and 4 actually don't have pictures, so a strategy might be able to just draw the picture and label it so you can see it. Let's try to do that. We have a triangular prism, has a base area of 30 square meters and a height of 7.5 meters. A triangular pyramid has the same area and base, same base area and same height. What is the total volume of the figures? Okay, so we have prism and pyramid. So our area of the base times the height, right? So what's the area of our base? They already gave it to us, right? So we can substitute in 30, and our height is 7.5 meters. What's our total volume for a prism? Good, thank y'all. Okay, so what do we do with that for here? We already know what B times H is, right? 225 times 1/3 is 75. So to get, now let's go back and read. Right, what's our total volume? What do we have to do? Add them together, and you get 300, what, meters cubed. Not bad, right? All right, so with your table, I want you to complete numbers 2 and 4, and we'll have 2 volunteers. We're gonna come up to the board and share, so be ready.
All right, Sarah molded a clay rectangular prism with the measurements of 6.5 inches by 7 inches by 9 inches. Sam molded a rectangular pyramid with a height of 9 inches, the same as Sarah's prism. If the bases of the models are the same and the height, what is the volume of Sam's model? Thank you. Good, so they let you know the height was 9 inches and your volume was 136.5 inches cubed. Let's give them one big clap. 1, 2, 3. Questions. All right, Nikhil, come on down. Number 4. Mandy has 9 rectangular pyramids that are filled with rice. She wants to transfer the rice into storage containers that are rectangular prisms that have the same size, base, and height as the rectangular pyramids. How many full storage containers can she fill and have no rice left over? That's perfect. 3 containers, one big clap. 1, 2, 3. Questions? Alrighty. So we have 16 task cards for today on prisms and pyramids. So you're going to check your answers by turning them over. And if you have any questions, let me know. Your worksheet is on the back of your note. So if you get finished with your 16 problems, please begin on your homework. And also you have Canvas Quiz 3-4 that opens today. You will need scratch paper. Please use a calculator and a reference material. It closes a week from today at 10 p.m. Questions about activity, homework, or the Canvas quiz? Okie dokie, go ahead and get started.